Friends, in our last video, we had just saw the arrays, how to declare the array and how to iterate over the arrays, printing the numbers inside the arrays. So today we will look into one of the interview question, shuffling of numbers inside the array, like shuffling the position of 0 with 1, 1 with 0, and 2 with 3, 3 with 4, 4 with 5, 5 with 6. So let me show you the example how it will be. The example of our array consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the output should be in such a way: 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. Okay, so for this let's start. So first let's understand the program. uh, Let me open the paint understanding. Okay, so yeah, already we had from yesterday's class we are just using the same array. Let's insert the numbers here. It is 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, and in my last block it is 6. Okay, let me enter the block here for clear understanding. Okay, 6. So we got the number 6. Let's insert the index position. Sorry, so I got my index at 5. Okay, what's my length? My length is 6. Till now it's clear, right? So let's change. Let me rub this one. Okay, so my index started from 0 and ended at 5, and my length started at 1 and ended at 6. So what we need to do? So shuffling, how we need to shuffle? Let's get started. Sorry, might be some virus alert. Okay, so let me take my boxes here. 1, okay, my second box, okay, this is my third one, okay, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one 6. Okay, this is our array. Let's insert the values here. I'm just inserting index. Okay, first, next, index, 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 index. So how we need to do? Okay, first in our first as per above array, as we can see here, the index is 0, value is 1. So here we need to insert our index 2 for shuffling. Next here index is 1. The storage should take place as index 2, next index 1, okay, next here index should be 4, here index is 3, next index 5. Sorry, let me change it. I just wrote based on the length, not on index. So here it is like 0, 1, okay, Here it should be 0. Here it will be 1. Okay, here it is 3 and it is 2. Okay, till here we are clear, right? We are just shuffling the numbers. Next, here the value 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. So here simply what we have done, we had just shuffled our numbers based on the index. Okay, our first index has been swapped with 1 and first 0th index with 1. Same with 3 with 2, 2 with 3, 5 with 4, 4 with 5. Okay, so this is our algorithm. So how I need to write the code, how I will prepare. So it will be very simple. Let me show you in the code. My numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, done. Next, what I will do, I will just created one for loop iterating numbers over there for fetching the numbers from array. Okay, now I need to swap. How I need to swap? Let's take one variable as temporary number equal to array, right? Numbers of what I need to take index. Okay, we took the index. Next we need to swap the index, right? So next, numbers of index equal to numbers of index plus 1. Done. Next, index plus 1 has been swapped with index. So here 0 got swapped with, sorry, 1 got swapped with 2. So our array will be 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, right? So now I want to insert the value at first index. So I want to change this 2 which is arriving second time. I want to insert my first one value there. So how can I insert? It's simple, numbers of index plus 1, okay, equal to temporary number. Till here it's clear, right? So my index will be, I'm increasing it with 2 times. Okay, index equal to index plus 2. I'm increasing twice because I'm using first 0th index and first index. So next iteration should be my next iteration at third position. So I'm just increasing it with third position. I'm just taking it to third position. So let's execute this. Oh, sorry, I didn't use any print statement. Let's use system.out.println numbers. Okay, let's execute this. What we need, what we will get. Okay, so here we got the array reference we want to print. Sorry, numbers dot stream dot to array. What it will give, I'm just doing some R&D things to find out what the output it will give. So yeah, I want the output. So let me do one thing. Let me iterate again for int index equal to 0, index less than numbers dot length index plus plus. Okay, let me print it. System dot out dot print ln. Okay, I'm just printing as numbers of index. Okay, let me execute this. What is my output? See, 21365. Okay, I want to print in single line. Can I do that? Yes, I can do it here. Okay, I had done this. So for debugging, how can I debug this? So how can I find like what is the number it's getting executed and all those things? I can do simply one thing. After swapping, okay, after changing the position number reference, I will just print here system.out.println numbers of index, because I changed the position of index, so I'm printing numbers of index. Next, yeah, I will just print system.out.print. Instead of println, I'm using print numbers of index plus 1. Okay, what is the output? It should be same. See, because I'm just swapping, so this is how I can do this swapping and I can print the output. uh, that's it for today, guys. Our next interview program will be like finding out the missing number in an array. We will do that. Yeah, thank you. Happy coding.